Bless the Lord, everybody. I hope that you have thanked the Lord today for being merciful and for being good to you and for all the many blessings that He has given you. I want to share with you a little of my testimony. You know, especially for 2017, this year, especially, over the past couple months, it has been, very rough. Going through some experiences and just trying to remain calm and allow God to work it out, no matter how heated and how intense and how unbelievable things have worked out. For over a year now, God has been impressing on me to create Christian videos. For a while, I think probably more than a year. And for me to start vlogging and, talking about Him and talking about what He has been telling me. Many of you know that I'm a writer, I'm an author, and I have several vlogs, or rather blogs, one of them revealing the Christian life. So for years I've been writing on Christian topics, about my experiences, giving messages that God has been giving me. I recently started in earnest in allowing Him to lead me and to take away those insecurities of being in front of the camera and just sharing. And I created a YouTube channel where I shared these videos, and I started to share on YouTube and on Facebook and so my little video clips of the Gospel Bite. And these were just like 1 minute or less, whatever it is that He had laid on my heart. But He is pushing me to do so much more, because I felt led to create them for Instagram and to put them on my blog. And I posted the first 2 and then my phone went missing. But it's a good thing that I backed up those videos. So it's really been a rough couple of months since I started doing that. And I understand that, it is an attack from the enemy, and I just allow God to fight my battle. And as the tides of trials have continued to come up and they've been rocking my ship, I tell you, no joke, right? It has been hard, right? But I realize that it comes about from being obedient to God. And if that is the case, then fine, He'll work it out. And every aspect of my life has been a battlefield. Spiritual warfare ton up. Primarily my relationships, my job, then my mental state, right? I felt like the devil was just attacking me and attacking me and attacking me. And I pray and I bind and I pray more. But God has been holding me up through it. And He allowed me to know that, I'm coming into a point of transition. And it's almost like a birthing process, if you want to call it that. So what I do is that I hold on to God, for He has already won it for me. This morning, I doubled up on, His love and just anointed myself. And I'm continuing with the videos using whatever it is that I have. The Lord provided me with new phones, and I say phones plural for those that I lost, right? And the devil is just roaring and prowling, seeking whom he may devour. But thank God that won't be me, in Jesus' name. I'll continue to share the gospel, because that is what He has called me to do. I'll continue to create these videos to encourage you and to let you know that, hey, it is not you alone who is experiencing, the spiritual warfare. We all go through it, and especially when we're trying to be obedient to God. So hold on to Him and be blessed in Jesus' name.